Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here to share this journal with you. It's not necessarily a bee journal, but it's just a this and that journal. I'm holding my camera right now, so I don't want you guys to get dizzy, but I want to show you what I'm making it out of. Just like all of that, I have like just a bunch of stuff. That thing turns around, there's a whole bunch of snippets in there. I've got bins like this full of stuff. I have a whole drawers full of things. I have so many that's already printed out. That little bin over there is S&M Tiffany Lane, full of goodness that I need to use up. And yeah, I have a ton of things. And then look, right in front of me where I craft, look at all of that I need to use up. I've got so much stuff, but I want new stuff, but I have to get rid of all of this before I get, not rid of all of it, of course. I'm never going to get rid of all of it, but I do have a hot mess full of everything, and I need to use it up. That thing over there is completely full of printables and old vintage books. I'm going to show you my hot mess so y'all know what I'm talking about. My craft room is not put together correctly yet, but it's getting there after I clean up my hot mess. But yeah, that is full of printables. Those drawers are full of like flowers, and the bottom of it is full of printables. There's my stack of yummy books I want to make journals out of. Those are the digests. That's just part of them. And then I have all of my cardstock. And in these bins are like, I'll show you. It's kind of embarrassing, but I'm going to show you. That's punches. I don't even know what's in some of these, actually. A spare scoreboard. And, this is cardstock and empty cardstock and some print. I don't know. There's a bunch of cardstock. Oh. And I don't know what's in this one. Let's find out. Yeah. Some of that. Pattern paper and creepy cloth from the dollar store. Some Tim Holtz stuff. Just a bunch of randomness. There, I'll call that bin random. And then I have, oh my gosh, this is going to be embarrassing. Close your eyes or watch your toes. Things might fall out. This hot mess, which I need to deal with. Like cardstock, random stuff, just stuff. Every time I think I'm going to organize, it doesn't really get organized. And this has just got like my sewing. This one is, I don't even know what, because I can't see in there. I'll put you guys up there. Oh, now I can see in there. Random. That's the top. That's my mama and my daddy. And let's see. More sewing stuff. Don't know what's in there. And not much in there. This is my kiddos and some pictures and things that I found. And then this is my ribbons and things. And let's see. And this one is like all cards and envelopes and stuff. That's what's in there. Oh, that one's a heavy one. And then skippity-doo over to here. That's my cute little wall. My sister just gave me this little thing right here, and it is so cute. And it's full of a bunch of crafty stuff, and those bins are full of stuff. Oh, that room back there is full of stuff. That's another video. And then we go over here, and that's my little rack with the hangable stuff. Another hot mess. These are some wood projects I got going on. This is supposed to be flower stuff. Yeah. A bunch of dried flower stuff. See, I'm not that organized. I just have stuff. And this is all my yummy boho stuff that the bottom half is like what I bought from Sheila, and the rest is stuff people give me. This was one of my granddaughter's dresses. She gave it to me for my boho collection of things. Thread. I'll be surprised when I pull my own baby wipes and I don't know what things. And that is, oh my goodness, oh, that's all my clay makings. That's my paper clay and molds. This is all my glues and things that I need to use before they dry up. And down there is like my Edith Holden books and things, old books. Ooh. Oh my goodness, that's a chore. Let's move this stuff out of the way. That has nothing to do with scrapbooking. Oh, let's see. And then there is like an extra glue gun and glue sticks and things. I have too many projects, ladies. Oh, that's a big bunch of beadings. That's my beading. This is what I kept of my paints because I had a humongous amount of paints that I got from my sister when she passed and things, and then what I collected, but I gave them all away to a little boy that likes to paint rocks for the town. So let's see what's in here. Oh, these are all my die cuts and things for my Sizzix. Yeah, for that. And then up here, see, it's just a big cluster of, I don't even want to touch it because it'll probably fall apart. And then over here is where I do a lot of my painting and things. I call this my stand-up station, but now it's pretty much my painting station. And that is for my silhouette stuff, and then a bunch of course, burlap strings and things that I use for my signs and stuff. This place is a hot mess, but this is a new book I just got, and I'm going to make my journal. My next journal is going to be made, it's going to be a bird book, and oh my goodness, ladies. This book is truly amazing. The only sad part about this book is it's got gorgeous on one side and gorgeous on the other. And so if I fold it, I don't want to fold it. I want to use it so bad, but I don't know. If you guys can comment and let me know how you would use this book, because it's so sad to cut one of them up. You know, if I want to fussy cut that out, I would lose the other side. And it's so pretty, and I don't want to. So I'm having a hard time cutting it up, but oh my goodness, ladies, this book is enormous. I had my granddaughter, I'm like, oh, hold this book, Savannah. And she went to try to hold it, and it just fell on the floor. She's like, oh my gosh, Grammy, that's heavy. It's so funny. But I am going to make a journal, and it's going to be a bird journal next. This is my hot paint mess. And some printables that I was starting to print out from Nick the Booksmith and Tracy, but I stopped because I'm like, no, Paula, no. I bought them, but I didn't print them all out because, yeah, you've seen all the hot mess that I have to use. My silhouette, my printer, my brother, and yeah, nothing on that wall right now. But then I got this. I just hung this up to put like stamps that I am using right now. My daubers, which I got from S&M Tiffany Lane, which I love. My little label maker thing. And I got those from the dollar store, and they just got my clothespins and things. And my journals that my niece, my sister, and my cousin Katrina, as y'all know her, made me. And a sign I made right above where I work in this hot mess. So yeah. And then I sit here and I have this drawer. Don't look at my hot mess floor because I've been in here working. I have those which are full of like whatever they're labeled as. Children, like Tim Holtz Kids and Family and stuff, and flowers from Tsunami Rose that I used my brother to cut out. And this is full of seam binding and wax paper. Oh my gosh, I just made it to where it won't go back in now, but I'll fix it later. Some backups. My glue gun, which I absolutely love this one. Crafty Irina sent me. I'll never get rid of that because it's amazing. And some backup glue. Oh, this is full of just exactly what you see. A hot mess in there. And so when I want something, I just pilfer through here and grab it and then go bye-bye and close it. Oh my goodness. But yeah, that is an explanation of what I am working with right now, trying to, yeah, get rid of stuff. Anywho, I'm going to make this video just the tour video, and then I'm going to cut this off and then come back and make the journal video. I'm sorry, I kind of got off on a tangent, but yeah, that's what happens. And then here is my little granddaughter looking at me. She's so pretty. Anywho, I will get back to you, and y'all please comment and let me know what you would do with that bird book, because I love it and I don't know what exactly how to use it to get the most benefits out of it. And yeah, I will be back here in a minute to make a video on this cute little journal I made. Have a great day, and please subscribe, like, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.